Good afternoon. My name is Eslin Fierro and everyone is welcome to this virtual class. Today I will talking about a very important topic called assimilation. These are the points I will talk about during class. First, we will talk about disconnected speech and give emphasis to the topic of assimilation. Some examples of sentences in which the assimilation method is applied are shown, and activity to evaluate what was learned. Connected speech. When we talk about connected speech, we are talking about spoken languages, which is used in a continuous sequence as in normal conversation. In order to make speech flow smoothly, the way we pronounce the end beginning of some words change depending of the sound of the letters at these places. These changes are described as features of connected speech. Exists a difference between the way we are pronouncing words in isolation and in a context of connected speech. Normally, when we speak, we omit the pronunciation of a word. We stop, then we say the next word in the sentence. When we speak fast, we are speaking in groups of words which are continuous and may not have pauses between them. This produces changes to the word shape. Noun/words sound different when they are used in a sentence instead of being said in isolation. Assimilation. It is applied when two phonemes come together and change to a new sound. For example, when ta and ya together make the cha sound. I will not say I meet you there. I will say I'll meet you there. I meet you there. So, ta and ya meet you becomes meet you, meet you. One of the things that happen when we speak fluently is that the sound at the end of the word can change. For example, in the sentence green park, green ends in the sound n, but when a word ends in the sound n and the next one begins in pa, va, wa or sound, then the n from the end of the word changes to sound, as your mouth gets ready to pronounce the next sound. Green Park. Green Park. Assimilation means that a sound changes to be more like these following sounds, variation of a sound, and this makes articulation easier. Here we see more examples. I own 10 pair of socks. I own 10 pair of socks. He didn't do it on purpose. He didn't do it on purpose. I would love to live in Paris. I would love to live in Paris. Can you come on Wednesday? Can you come on Wednesday? It's a white piece of paper. It's a white piece of paper. Evaluation activity. Finally, there will be an evaluation where the method of assimilation has to be applied in 5 sentences. And this class is going today. Thanks for attending. See you on another occasion. Bye bye.